It's been called the Paris of the South, and it's the birthplace of poets, composers, and a dance called tango. It's a city of European flair and a Latin heartbeat. This is Buenos Aires. Its inhabitants are called porteños, meaning people of the port. Founded nearly 500 years ago, it's now a thriving city of well over 2 million. Here, the architecture reveals her European roots and her native passion, from the colorful streets of La Boca to the ornate facades of her palaces and performance halls. Our overnight stays and matchless shore excursions take you from the shadows of the explorers to the footsteps of the legendary Evita. Holland America Line is your passport to the city of night owls and dancing that never ends. This is the vibrancy and the enchantment of Buenos Aires.